I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the right menu quickly. Make sure your watch has charge and is synced to Garmin Connect so changes persist. From the watch home, press menu or hold the up button, then navigate to settings, choose health and performance, and pick sleep. You do this to access sleep schedule and tracking options directly on device. Once done, you'll be ready to edit your existing sleep time or enable scheduled sleep. The next slide shows the specific edits. Now you change the times and options. Select sleep schedule, then edit an existing schedule or add a new one. Tap bedtime, set the hour and minute, then pick your wake time. This instructs the watch when to track sleep. You can enable Smart Wake to optimize awakening or toggle Do Not Disturb so alerts won't interrupt. Also make sure days and your sleep goal match your routine. Once saved, the watch will apply the new schedule immediately. Finish by saving and syncing so Garmin Connect records the update. Press Save on the watch, then open the app and sync to confirm settings transferred. If the schedule doesn't apply, restart the watch and verify firmware is current. Outdated firmware can block schedule changes. If problems persist, clear or reset sleep data in the app or perform a soft reset on the device. If none of that helps, contact Garmin support for deeper diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.